Got another product from BENFEI here. We've got the USB 3.0 switch. This allows you to switch between two computers with your USB devices, such as your keyboard, your mouse, your printer, your scanner. It's basically a KVM switch, but for USB. So we're gonna go ahead and just open it up and take a look at it. I don't really have anything to like test it on because I just don't have the setup for that at the moment, but it's a BENFEI product. I've had 100% good luck with these products, so I promise you it will work. But if it doesn't work, they do have a warranty. I can't remember exactly how long it lasts, but it lasts long enough for you to test the product and see if it actually works. So let's go and take a look at it. I believe I'm opening it wrong. Open it from the front. And here's the product itself. This is the actual switch itself. And then if we just remove this, we've got all the cables. So we've got our, I'm assuming this is our Type-C power cable. This is our USB to USB cable, which you'll probably plug into... It's basically a USB 3.0 hub, but it allows you to switch between two computers. So if you need USB 3 on two different computers and you already have a switch, but you don't have enough ports, this would be really good for you. But here are the two cables. These are both USB 3.0. We also have some adapters if you need to plug it in Type-C, just like if your computer has Type-C, such as a MacBook or something. So in theory, this should just work without problems or any issues. It also comes with some 3M tape so you can connect it and hook it up somewhere. So here's the actual switch itself. Just gonna go ahead and open this up. So as you can see, once it loads, this is our power DC. This is about 5 volts, but you can just probably plug it into the said computer. You get your two USB 3 ports, PC1, PC2. You've got all your USB ports at the front. Like I said, I don't really have a way to plug it in, but I will plug it into my MacBook and show you that it turns on. Like I said, I can't really show you that it functions because I don't really have a way to do so. But if I just go ahead and grab our power cable, I'm actually gonna have to use one of these adapters, which is fine. So basically, we're gonna plug this into here. Then we're gonna grab one of these little adapters. I actually have one of these laying around, but I don't feel like grabbing it at the moment. As you can see, PC1, PC2. And obviously you just plug these into each computer and then it'll have USB 3. I mean, you could plug a keyboard and mouse into it. That's what this is really for. You could plug your keyboard and mice into these and just have this at like the bottom of your desk, and you can plug devices into the bottom. So that's how this works. If you guys want to check it out, there will be a link in the description below. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked. Sorry, this is a shorter video, but there isn't really much to talk about. It is just a USB 3 switch. I guarantee you it works. I've had really good luck with BENFEI, and I do want to thank them for sponsoring this video once again. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next video, and peace out.